Hello friends, today I will talk in English. I will talk in English onwards. So let's start. Hello friends, today we गलत हो गया गलत हो गया गलत हो गया nothing. हमें ऐसे ही टेस्ट लगता. So today we will learn how to open Scratch. So let's start it. There are two ways to download: online, offline. If you have to do online, so you have to open Chrome in laptop, open Chrome and search Scratch. Then first link will appear, Scratch MIT. Click on it. Then click on Start Creating. And close it, and your Scratch is open, but online. If you have to do offline also and online also, then type Scratch download for Windows 10, क्योंकि विंडो 10 है. अगर तुम्हारा कोई और होगा तो दूसरा, तो कोई और जैसे विंडोज 5, विंडोज 11, विंडोज 6 ये सब है ना, तो ये सब सर्च करना. और फिर डाउनलोड द ऑफलाइन एडिटर स्क्रैच MIT. ये सेकंड लिंक पे आपको दबाना है. क्लिक ऑन दिस सेकंड लिंक. अगेन स्टार्ट हिंदी. And then click on Windows and direct download. And here link will process. All of to do this is wait for it to download in this down arrow, and it is now loaded. And now see, in this you will get, click on there, click in the link, and you will directly enter in that. So that is how that we today we learn how to open Scratch online and offline. So for today's video, that much for today's video. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and bye.